for a bit, yeah?
Hello,
Okay.
guys.
Hello, this is Adrian, like that, okay?
Yay!
Do you have fun studying today?
Yeah.
Yep, okay. Now let's do this one. This is a review. Click start.
I'm not ready.
Okay. Would you like some? What is it?
Bread.
Okay, which one is bread?
Bread.
Okay, click next. Would you like some? What is it?
Lemons.
Lemon. Where's lemons? Okay.
Next.
Would you like some candy?
Yes.
What do you say?
Yes, please.
Okay, where is yes, please?
Done.
Okay, next. Would
No.
you like some cake?
No, thank you.
Okay, no, thank you. And then? Would you like some tea?
Nothing.
No, thank you. Yeah, good job. And then you click submit. Click submit. Okay. Let's see the score. Should we see the score?
Where? Itu 100.
Oh my God! You got 100. Yeah, number 1. What is it? Bread.
Bread.
Yeah, and then that one's lemon. No, no. Yeah, good job. Good job, Adrian.
Aku lihat.
Oh, you see that? Okay, it's okay. Good job. You're doing